So I bought myself a packet of these STEDI Copperhead LED light upgrades to go on the front of the mighty D22 because the low beam sucks. So we'll see what these look like. So this is what the kit looks like open. Got this groovy little cooling stuff, the diode box, or resistor box I'm guessing, and that's where it plugs into the original plug. Comes with some sticky pads, I'm guessing that's to stick these down, and some zippies. Good. Oh, it's even got instructions, but we won't read that, so we'll balls this up just to make it fun. Alright, that's her with one hooked up. The left hand side obviously is the LED and the right hand's not. Left hand went in really easy. The right hand's a bit of a faff, so I've got to pop the headlight out a little bit just, or take the second battery out. But either way, it's still something's going to come out, so easy. And here's what they look like, both done. That looks heaps better. Definitely way brighter, hey Dwayne?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now they've got the nice white bulbs. Yeah, that looks heaps good. Might have to give these headlights a clean one of these days. Alright, we'll finish this video with, what about Jace?
What about Jace?
Good cat.